Hello and welcome to Michael Pepper Tech Talk. I have a case here from ArmadilloTek. They were nice enough to provide me with a case for the iPhone 11, and then I have two cases for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, one for my wife and one for mine. They did pay for these for me and provide those for me. But other than that, this review is open and honest. As always, I won't let, just because a company provides a product for me, does not influence my opinion in one way or the other, positively or negatively. So let's take a look at the box here. So you can see that it has a military grade protection there. And you can see on the back here, I'll show you, talks about military grade rugged protection. They're a Texas company focused on military grade rugged accessories for your digital devices. Our products meet or exceed U.S. military standard 810G drop test. Shockproof, drop-proof, dust-proof, scratch-proof. Vanguard series will protect your device from daily grind and adventures. And you can see some of the examples there. Military people, jumping out of planes, helicopters, things like that. So that's pretty cool. I think it's funny that they say iPhone 11R, but I'm guessing they had these ready before the names were announced. So let me get this unboxed here. Nice plastic material. And then here's the front piece. And some styrofoam in there. Important do not return to Amazon, contact us first sort of thing. 100% satisfaction guarantee. A little instruction guide on how to put it together. It looks pretty easy. Pop the phone in, pop the front on, good to go. Shows that it has the kickstand there. So basically, it just snaps inside there. I'm not going to do that because then when I give this away, somebody may have a hard time getting out of there without scratching that front. There's fingerprints and dust and stuff on there, but the front, outside and inside each have pieces that peel off, so that's really nice that they included that, because I remember getting some of these that have the included screen protector that are just filthy, and you can't really get all the dust off, and they're just kind of on there, and the static doesn't help then. So then here we have the back, and it has this nice like honeycomb pattern, which helps with vibrations and stuff, and then the sides are kind of soft and rubbery. The corners are really hard, protective, like you can bend them, but the sides would flex, and with this plastic in there, there's no way that they'd bend like that. And then there's the notch, obviously, for the cutout for the cameras. And on the back you have this kickstand that just pops up. And then there's a piece that slides out into place, so you can use it that way, or prop it up that way. So anyways, this has been a quick video covering the ArmadilloTek Vanguard case, rugged case for the iPhone 11. I will be back on Friday with coverage for the case for my 11 Pro Max once that phone gets here. Again, this has been Michael Pepper Tech Talk. Please subscribe and like and comment down below, and feel free to check out my Facebook page, also called Michael Pepper Tech Talk, for other information and to just have conversation back and forth. And if you have any questions or things you want to let me know, just hit me up over there. That's also how you can message me if you would like. As always, Thank you, and God bless.